Alright, let's be real. Your study habits suck. You sit down, stare at your books, maybe highlight a few things, scroll through your phone, and then somehow convince yourself that you tried your best. That's not studying. That's just wasting time so you don't feel guilty. But what if I told you that in just 14 days you could become a study machine? I'm talking faster learning, better memory, and way more productivity without spending hours lost in your notes. No fluff, no fake motivation, just real methods that work. Let's go. Step 1. Stop doing dumb study habits. First, we need to fix the garbage habits holding you back. Stop rereading notes like a zombie. Your brain sees familiar words and tricks you into thinking you know them, but you don't. Instead, try active recall. Close the book and force yourself to remember what you just learned. That's how memory works. Ditch marathon study sessions. If you think, the longer I study, the smarter I get, you're lying to yourself. Your brain zones out after 30 minutes. Instead, use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of deep focus, then a 5-minute break. Music with lyrics, kill it. Your brain can't focus on both words in studying. If you need background noise, use brown noise or instrumental music. Step 2. Learn faster with proven strategies. Teach it to someone, even if it's your dog. If you can't explain it simply, you don't actually understand it. This is called the Feynman technique. Use spaced repetition. Cramming equals forgotten in 24 hours. Instead, review on day 1, day 3, day 7, and day 14. That's how real memory works. Turn words into pictures. You remember memes better than your textbooks because your brain loves visuals. Instead of memorizing boron, imagine a bored-looking dude sitting at a table. Sounds dumb. That's why it works. Step 3. Build a study environment that doesn't suck your phone. Get it out of the room. If your phone is near you, you will check it, airplane mode, or take it to another room. No excuses. Find your peak focus time. Some people focus best in the morning, some at night. Find yours and study then. Fix your study space. Studying in bed? Congrats. You just trained your brain to fall asleep instead of focus. Get a dedicated desk. Train your brain to associate it with work. Step 4. Stay consistent and actually do this. Stop being soft. If you quit after 10 minutes because you're not in the mood, then you don't actually want results. Success doesn't care about your mood. Do it anyway. Reward yourself, but only after you study. Your brain craves dopamine. Use it. Done with a session, then you get a reward. Track your progress. Write down what you studied each day. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. Final warning, will you actually do this? Most people watch this, feel motivated, and then do nothing. Don't be that person. Pick one method from this video and use it today. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. And if you do this for 14 days, you'll be shocked at how much smarter, faster, and more confident you become. Now stop scrolling, stop procrastinating, go upgrade your brain.